Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to what is probably the first POV on the channel. We got a nice rainy day out today. Now, let me just get something... Oh, there's a trailer up there. Now, let me just get something clear with this video. This video is not going to have any crazy pulls or fast driving or anything. I'm just doing a commute. This is just a normal commute. I might do a little bit of a harder pull here and there where it's safe, but generally though, I'm probably just gonna take it fairly easy. This is not me just driving randomly wanting to do pulls everywhere. This is me actually commuting somewhere. So, oh hey, look at that. Two Corollas that look exactly the same. To be fair though, they sold like 40 million of these cars, so that's not super surprising. It is kind of interesting though. Oh, this bump sucks. Yep. Funny enough, today I was thinking about bringing the Miata out and doing a little cloudy Miata drive, and then, well, I saw that it was actually raining, and so I said, nah, I'm not getting wet for a YouTube video today. That sounds a little bit off. And, ooh, little Miata. I could have brought, actually no, my Miata top is messed up. Anyway, I keep getting distracted. I don't know if you guys can see, but check engine light's back on. Let's go. Oh, that is incredible. This car just loves throwing check engine lights at me. I also love how this road used to be 55 and then they dropped it to 45 for the construction back there. And they just never changed it back to 55. I could speed, but that's in the, nah, I'll take it easy. Oh well. That's kind of what happens. I thought I could get away with putting it in second. Nope, didn't like that. As you know, about a year ago, I decided to try out this little Tron-themed wrap with black lines. I basically put them all over the car. Well, they're gone now. This car is back to just regular, normal purple. Life hack when you drive a manual car is look at the traffic lights. It doesn't work every time, but generally, try to look at the traffic lights from the other direction. So right now they're still green. I don't have to put my foot on the clutch or do anything like that. It's yellow, and usually when it turns red, I'll put it in gear. And then when it goes green, I just set off. A lot of you guys, when you watch this video, are probably going to see my left leg here kind of hover over the clutch pedal. You might think that I'm riding the clutch. I'm not. I fully take my pedal off of the clutch pedal. Sorry, I fully take my leg off of the clutch pedal, but I just hover it over the pedal so it's ready for the next shift. This is a fun road to take a lowered car onto because it's just kind of, you gotta bump around a little bit and it kind of wakes you up. And I'm saying that completely sarcastically. This road sucks. I kind of have to dodge these little potholes. They're, well, they're potholes, but they're filled in. But I've memorized where those three are, and after those three, it's good. It's just, you know, little cracks and bumps here and there. But generally speaking, it's okay. My light's probably on for my thermostat, because I have a colder thermostat in this car. I'm thinking about changing back to a stock thermostat though, because if it's weather like this where it's kind of cool, the car doesn't want to go all the way up to say like 180, 190. Like right now it's about 150, like mid 150. Ooh. Cool little IS. I didn't even see it. Kind of blended in. Also because there was traffic. That was cool though. There's something squeaking back there. You shut up. I feel like this car needs an alignment. Because sometimes it wants to pull, like right now it's okay. Don't do this, by the way. This is irresponsible. Letting it go of your steering wheel. Don't do that. But sometimes it wants to pull to the left. Other times it wants to pull to the right. And then other times, like now, it wants to drive straight. So it's kind of randomized. Every time I drive this car, the ECU spins a wheel of fortune, and it basically says, hey, are we going to drive normal or are we going to pull today? Well, I'm just going to put the camera down now. I don't want to roll up with a GoPro on my head. That would be weird. Wasn't quite a clean downshift, but it's whatever. Ooh, check that out. Ooh, rain's coming down harder now. Okay. Wonder if it's gonna be like a downpour. That'd be fun to film. I also love how this is my fastest speed for my windshield wipers. Corolla, I know, can do the wipers a lot faster than this. This is my fastest on this car. I also need to figure out what's up with my ABS. I've left it alone because, well, I mean, I just haven't really wanted to bother working with the ABS on this car. A lot of you guys might think, oh, that's super irresponsible. I know how to drive a car without ABS. My Corolla doesn't have ABS. I've driven that through a couple winters. I can drive without ABS without issue. I'm just lazy. I was like, you know what, I'm kind of lazy. I don't really feel like fixing it right now. I will fix it when I do a big brake swap on this car. Oh, hello, you without your lights on. Love you. What's a sudden stop feel like in this weather? Actually, feels pretty good. I mean, that was at 5 miles an hour, but still.